Hey guys, we are on page 310 in our math books. We are not doing anything on page 309, so you can go ahead and skip that page, go straight to 310. Number 4, all of it. Number 5, all of it. Number 6, all of it. And number 7, all of it. I mean, we crossed out a whole page, so this is about half of what we normally would be doing anyway. So, number 4, I'm not going to do A, B, and C with you, but I'll go ahead and do letter D on the board with you. So we have 3,717 divided by 9. So let's go ahead and do 9 into 3 first. Of course, 9 won't go into 3 at all. So I'm going to put 0 there. 0, let's see. We could use that as a shortcut. So we'll go ahead and do that. 0 is our shortcut. So we're going to go from 9 into 3. We're going to go 9 into 37. 9 will go into 37, I want to say about 4 times. So put 4 above the 7. 4 times 9 is 36. So put 36 right there. And subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. And 1 is smaller than 9. That's my step. Bring down the 1. And I have 9 will go into 11. 9 will go into 11 probably just one time, because 9 is really close to 11. So 1 times 9 is 9. And 11 minus 9 is, I want to say 2. 2 is smaller than 9. And bring down the 7. 9 will go into 27. I want to say 3 times. 3 gets put above the 7. 3 times 9 is 27. Subtract. 27 minus 27 is 0. And my answer is 413. Number 5, we have this multiplication problem right here. I will do this one with you, but I will not do letter B with you. I want you to do letter B on your own. And I want you to maybe see if maybe you can pause this one, see if you can do this one on your own, and then check to see if you got it right. So first we're going to start by ignoring that 3. So we're going to do 1 times this 972. So 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 9 is 9. I mean, 1 times anything is itself, so that's fairly easy. Now we have this 3 in my tens place. Since it is in my tens place, I need to put a 0 underneath that 2. And 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 7 is 21. 2 gets carried above the 9. 1 is put below this 9 down here. And 3 times 9 is 27, plus a 2 is 29. Going to add these together. 2 plus 0 is 2. 6 plus 7 is 13. We need to carry the 1. 1 plus 9 is 10, plus another 1 is 11. Carry the 1 above that 9. 1 plus 9 is 10, so put a 0. Carry the 1 above the 2. And 2 plus 1 is 3. So we have 30,132 for my answer. Number 6, this is averaging that we're going to do. I have these two numbers right here. Let's go ahead and add them to begin. 6 plus 2 is 8. So we're going to put an 8 right there. We're not carrying anything. 4 plus 3, well, that's 7. 8 plus 1 is 9. And 2 plus 6 is 8, just like it was there. So that was my first step, pretty easy. My next step is to do some dividing. And I'm going to take this answer right here, 8,978. I'm going to put it over here, 8,978. And I'm going to divide it by how many numbers I added together. And how many numbers did I add together? Just 2. So put them together. Now I'm going to just divide. 2 will go into 8. I want to say that's 4 times. So 2 times 4 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. And 0 is smaller than 2. Now I carry down the 9. And 2 will go into 9. I think still 8 times. Or still 4 times, should I say. So put a 4 above the 9. 4 times 2 is 8. And 9 minus the 8 is 1. And 1 is smaller than 2. Carry down the 7. And now we don't just have 7, we have 17. 2 will go into 17 how many times? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. 18, we already passed 17. So we'll do 16. 2 will go into 17, not 16 times. But what number do we have to multiply by 2 to get to 16? That would be 8. So we're going to put 8 right here. 2 will go into 17 8 times. So we have 2 times 8 is 16. That's what we just said. And 7 minus 6 is 1. And 1 minus 1 is 0. And 1 is smaller than 2, so it's a good match. Bring down the 8, and now we have 18 down here. 2 will go into 18. How many times? Well, we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. That's 9 times. So 2 will go into 18 9 times. 9 times 2 is 18. And we got subtraction. 18 minus 18 is 0. And my answer is 4,489. Number 7, I'm not really going to do on the board with you. You're just writing the value of the circle digits. So example for letter A, we have 396,510, and they have that 9 circled. What place value is that 9? Well, if you start at the 0 at the end of that number, we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Which one of those was 9 if you start counting it from the end of the number to the beginning of the number? So we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and then that 9 is 10,000s. So make sure you have that written down for letter A, 10,000s place. And letter B, C, and D, I will let you do on your own. So make sure that you go ahead and do, again, 4, 5, 6, and 7 on this page.